For years, we have been conditioned that in order to have a fulfilled life, we must have successful careers and businesses. When we think of success, we think work. Why is success not life? We even say work-life balance as if it's two different entities, expected to give each the same time, energy, and focus. This is completely out of balance, as life is health, wealth, family, friends, spirituality, personal growth, fun, and recreation. Work-life balance teaches us that we must put work before anything else, and if we have spare energy, time, and focus, we can then apply it to life. Is there any wonder why people feel overworked, lost, and uninspired? If we shift the focus on success is about life, we take into account of what is most important to us and not what is expected. What I mean by this is that for one person, they value family. To another, they value their career. The two will behave differently and be motivated differently. One would favour family time and investing in parenting, whereas the other would favour going to a seminar to develop their career. Neither is wrong or right. They are who they are. But this conditioning that work must come first before any value is draining us, and we overwork to prove our worth. Now, don't get me wrong. Developing a career or a business is important because that's where the money comes from. Money is important for freedom, but when we focus on the money, our actions then come from this negative place. Shift the focus to fulfillment and watch the magic happen.